If you've recovered from COVID-19, the FDA wants you to donate plasma to help COVID patients. And the Red Cross says there is a critical shortage of it. News 4's Alan Frio joins us at the Red Cross headquarters on Charlotte Pike. Alan, the president is pushing for this too. How does it help?
Well, essentially, Tom, it expands access to the treatment to make it more widely available to people who are severely ill from COVID-19. So as a result of all of that, the people at the American Red Cross are putting out an urgent call to anyone who has survived, who has made it through COVID-19. The plasma is rich in COVID antibodies. In theory, researchers believe it would help the immune system of a severely ill patient more effectively fight off the virus.
The demand is very high for COVID convalescent plasma.
Red Cross Medical Director Dr. Baya Lasky says the treatment was in the experimental stage and limited to patients until yesterday.
This is a powerful therapy.
When President Trump announced the emergency use authorization of the plasma.
There is still really limited data. There are very early studies that show that it may be effective, but it's still too early to say.
The Red Cross says it has distributed 30,000 plasma units since April, but with the FDA announcement, it put even more pressure on the supply. The Red Cross sent out an urgent call for donors. It says in part, it is critical that people who have recovered from COVID-19 roll up their sleeves to donate plasma. The Red Cross went on to say that it is currently distributing convalescent plasma faster than donations are coming in, resulting in an emergency shortage of these much-needed products.
When I saw that this would be effective, I jumped at the chance.
Singer-songwriter Stokes Nielsen, who recovered from COVID, was one of the first people in the Mid-State to donate his plasma in early April.
Personally, I must be honest with you. I wish that this announcement had come not after 180,000 Americans dying.
Nielsen says people often tell him about the treatment's success.
I was at a coffee shop and I had the barista told me, she saw my shirt, which is about convalescent plasma, and she said, "Did you give it?" And I said, "Yes." And she said, "Well, my 81-year-old mother survived, and she credits this for helping her survive."
Now, the Red Cross says there is somewhat of a delay in getting the plasma to some patients, particularly patients with B and AB types of blood. Now, we have a link on our website if you would like to donate. It's WSMV.com.